Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you the installation and demo of the spring door closer, which is a great product for keeping your door closed at all times. And the cool thing about this is that the price of this product is just around 500 rupees. So it's cheap and it does the job. And moreover, the installation is very simple. It's so simple that you can even get this done with a screwdriver. So let's quickly get on with the installation and then we'll see how it works. So this is the kind of packaging that the product comes in, and on the back side you can see some instructions on how to install it. These look simple on the paper, but it's always difficult without a video. And then on the inside you've got these three items, so some screws, Allen key for tightening or loosening the spring mechanism of this main attachment. We'll come to that later towards the end of the video, but these are all the things that you get in the packaging. Alright, so now to install this, the very first thing would be to attach the hinge of this product to the door frame. And if it's a heavy door, you can attach it at the center. If it's a light door, you can attach it at the top of the frame. So here I'm just pushing the screw in with my cordless drill cum screwdriver. And if you notice here, there's another mechanism that needs to be attached here. So ensure that you have a flat surface of the door where you're mounting this. So here's the second part of the door closer that needs to be attached on the door. So we have one part that is attached to the door frame and this other thing will attach on the door. So you need to make sure that you find a flat surface of the door. And now we'll just continue placing the other screws as well. So there are 3 screws that need to be attached on this hinge. Here again I'm using my cordless screwdriver and placing this one. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can also use a screwdriver, but this way it's going to be a little tough. You'll have to use some muscle power to get the screw in, but yeah, this is also possible. So there are 3 screws that need to be attached to this hinge. Now after that's done, we need to attach this bracket onto the door, and it needs to be placed in such a way that the bar slides easily through it. So you can open the entire door while it's placed on the door and then see if it's going in a smooth way. So after that's done, we'll be doing some markings and installing this on the door. So with a pen or a marker, you can mark its position because we need to take out the handle and then drill this in. So it's essential to find the right spot for installing it. And after that's done, here again we need to fix 2 screws. So let's just take this out, and at the marked position we can place the bracket and fix those 2 screws. And just make sure that it's tight and secure because this is going to hold your large door. So all of the attachments should be tight and secure. And now it's time for a little demo. So let's see if this thing is able to push back the door automatically. And yeah, so although my door is quite heavy, it's able to push it back effectively. So here you can see how this mechanism works. Basically the bar is like sliding through the bracket, and then there's a spring inside the main bracket which puts the pressure and then sends the door back to close it automatically. So it's a very simple mechanism, and the thing about this is that it's not bulky like those big automatic door closers which you used to get earlier. So this one is quite sleek and it takes very less amount of space. And with respect to the spring tension, you can adjust it with the Allen key. It's slightly tricky because it goes into a tight spot and then moving the Allen key gets difficult. Along with that, you need to pull out the screw, and then once you've tightened it to a desired position, you can place it back in. So I'm not going to do much of the demo here, but I hope you get the point. It's slightly tricky for me to do it all alone, but yeah, this is how you can adjust the spring tension as well. So this is a good feature in case if you want to adjust it as per your door's thickness, or let's say the door's weight. Another feature of this product is that when you place this in the upwards direction, it will disable the automatic closing mechanism. Right now the placement is not right for me, but yeah, this is how you can place it upwards and then disable the automatic close whenever needed. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. And I've left the link of this product in the description section below, so if you want to purchase it, you can do it from there. And yeah, thank you for watching this video.